Hello everyone. So if we talk about the segment part, then segment Colgate Palmolive has been divided into various segments, for like from demographic, geographic, and behavior. In demographic, kid, young, and adult, and also from income, like people who are having less income can also go for Colgate. Mid people can also go for Colgate, like they can get a mid price Colgate, and also for people who has less income can also go for a Colgate at a lower price. Geographic is also a segment part. Like it is divided into rural and urban. In rural area, the mostly recommended toothpaste is strong teeth, and in urban area, if the varieties are offered, like because the varieties are in demand for urban area. And also in behavior, like people who are having sensitive teeth and people who are more concerned about the whitening of teeth, like, and also from toothbrush, like people who requires soft brushes and also hard brushes, like premium toothbrush gets usually soft brushes, and hard brushes are majorly from for a lower range. Like people who have less money can also go for a hard brushes brush from Colgate.
Coming to the analysis part, like it has been doing quite good, like the clear positioning and has strong brand loyalty and has skilled workforce for a longer time. uh, the major opportunity for Colgate is like the new customer from online channel, unexploited rural markets, and the mergers and acquisition to strengthen its company. Like Colgate has been doing quite good enough, and the major opportunities from online channel. The major weakness is market share is limited due to other FMCG brands, and also from limited success outside its core business, and has high cost of operation. The major threats are intense competition amongst other companies, and also from FDI in retail, new technologies developed by competitor. Like the main problem is the competitor. Like in today's market, there are so many toothbrush to choose from, and also we can get a easy alternative to its brand. Like people can go for Patanjali as well as Colgate, as well as Pepsodent, as well as Close Up. There's a variety of range now to choose from. Coming to the six forces, like the main problem is the innovation. Like the competitors are offering that product at a reasonable price, and also they're having a new innovation. They're doing quite good research, and like the today's trend is more of organic. They are mostly sticking to organic product, like it is based on natural product, and also more concerned about the health wise. And the main six forces that has been affecting the Colgate Palmolive are threat of new entrants, threat of substitutes, rivalry among the existing competition, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers as well, and the complementary products, like the demand for toothbrush. Like in toothbrush, they will look for soft brushes as well as the color, as well as the other tongue cleaner and all. Like in also for mouthwash, like Colgate mouthwash is offered. Most of them are like the varieties are quite limited, like two or three. That's it. Other brands are having quite good enough, so that is also a major concern for Colgate.
Coming to the key success factors for Colgate Palmolive, like it has strong brand value, like it has been in market for a long time. It had and has attractive packaging and styling. Like the bold letters in the package is also a good thing for Colgate. Like it has been doing good for a longer time. Like it has variety and depth of product. The offerings are quite good. Like it has long list of varieties like herbal, visible white, strong teeth, etc. It has strong positive environmental values as well, and is available at a reasonable price, which is a good thing for a very well known brand. Coming to the analysis part, the growth and profit potential. It, Colgate Palmolive has been global leader in oral hygiene market for a longer time. It acquires more than 40%, that is in global toothpaste market, and also in manual toothpaste market, that is for 32.3%. And also the net profit generated from Colgate Palmolive is 775.57 crore. As compared to its previous year, it was around 673.37 crore. The percentage was around 15.17% increase. The revenues from operation, like in 2018-19, the revenues from operation was around 4,432.44 crore. In 2017-18, it was around 4,299.89 crore, with an increase of 3.08%. Although in 2017 and 2018, the annual growth was declined by -4%. Like the 4% decrease was there, as we can see the graph. And also in 2019, also increased by 3%, which is quite good. The other factors like the reserves, it increased by in 2017. If we compare the 2017 and 2018, then it was increased by 20%. And also in 2019, although it decreased by -5%, but it is a good thing. So, coming to the end of our presentation, I would like to conclude that Colgate has been the king of global oral care market with around 54.3%, followed by HUL and Dabur. Although various threats and intense competition are also affecting its market share, but still we can say that it is in good position. Colgate has maintained its brand value and price for a longer time. Thank you.